Now we are going to insert the decals on the tire so that it will looks nice. Okay, so front plane normal 2. All right, so to insert the decal we are going to go into tools. Okay, then go to view 360, then we have here edit decals. So browse for the decals or the picture you want to put into your tire. So I already downloaded one. So browse, I go to my downloads. Okay, I want this Bridgestone to be the mark of my tire. So I'm going to select a flat face. Either you do here or you do here. It will be the same. Okay, say I select here. Okay, we are going to adjust in order that it can cover the tire. Okay, so we adjust, we make it bigger. All right, now once you already center it, we can take out first the decal, and we are going to select uh, all the faces that we want to have the mark. For example, this is still part of my tire, so we select this area, we select also this area. Okay, we select also this one, we select also behind this one and this one. So we already covered the tire. Okay, so normal 2, as we go on the front. So now what we're gonna do now is we're going to put in our tire. Okay, make sure that it is on the center. All right, we have to put normal 2. Doesn't go, so you go front view. Okay, so have to adjust, make it bigger. Adjust also on this side. So Bridgestone is there, Bridgestone is there. So let's see on the other side, it should have the same. Okay, and then once you're satisfied, just check yes. So the tire now is Bridgestone, all the decals there. Okay, Bridgestone. All right, all the small numbers are there. Now, so that make nice, we can make this colorful. So by using face, okay, then still, then here, let's say I want a gold color, so I select all the face, we select it, or we can just make this one. All right, we got a small portion there that is not bit marked. So our rim, this is our rim, so this part should still be a part of the tire, so we never adjust properly the decal. Okay, all right, this is the process of putting in the decal. Okay,